Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your BMW Finance on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure that you have created the My BMW Finance account before logging it. Now, firstly, go to your preferred search engine of your device and in the URL box type BMW Finance login and hit search. Then, you will see multiple sites. Look for the one that says My BMW Finance. This will take you to the official page of My BMW Finance. You will see the option of login or register in your screen and click on it. And in the next page, enter your mail ID that you have used to create your account. There is also an option of register now. If you have to register, then click and follow the instruction to create one. Once you enter your mail ID, click on the continue option. Then enter your account password and press login. And there it is. That's how you log into your BMW Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.